Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by verifying Windows 7 bitness and service pack level so you pick a compatible Python release. Next, download the matching installer and run it. Make sure to check Add Python to path and enable pip plus idle. Once done, open CMD and run Python version to confirm. If the command fails, rerun the installer and choose Repair or select the path option. Now you have a working interpreter. Move on to project setup and package management. You now structure your work. Make a project folder and create a virtualenv with Python mvenv so dependencies stay isolated. Once the venv is active, upgrade pip and install essentials like requests or pytest. This prevents global conflicts. Choose an editor that runs on Windows 7 and point it at the venv interpreter so run and debug actions use the right environment. Make a simple script, run it from CMD, and iterate, testing locally before adding. You finish by writing and running a short script that imports one package, reads a file, and prints results. This proves the whole chain works. Then establish a habit, daily exercises, one small project per week, and focused reading to build fluency. If something breaks, the single most useful troubleshooting step is to check path and confirm you activated the venv, run Python version, and wear Python to see which binary is used. If needed, reinstall the matching 32 or 64-bit build and repeat the install steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.